all metal.
You can change the mode into metal. Wow! Look!
Mein Finderlohn.
May bago tayong trabaho, bagong kontrata sa bagong taon. Thank you for watching! We gonna unbox a Dr. Otek metal detector. So alam niyo na yung mga metal, kung may nawawala kayo mga metal, may nawawala kayong mga jewelry dyan sa daan, or gusto lang maghanap, or if you want to find a jewelry and everything, you can use this. So we're gonna unbox this one with my dad, Egbert. So let's go! Now, Dr. Otek, the best choice for your first metal detector. Wow!
So.
But every product we have a manual. Oh, there's a free battery. Battery, look.
This?
And the guide also, there's a guide. What is that?
A bag.
A bag.
A bag. For
A bag.
transportation. Ja.
What is it?
En links maar hier. Ja.
What is that?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your project. Hope you enjoy.
Ja.
See this one? This is not rechargeable, but you can use with your what is it? You can use with your this battery, and then this is also a waterproof. If you are looking at jewelry in the water or in the river, you can use this.
So, our cookie. So, hier, da.
Look, free!
Oh.
Wow! This one is also free. The headphone.
You need it. You need it.
Because
if you
loud.
use it, you need it to hear if the
There's something?
the detector finds something. It's not for music.
Maybe.
Maybe you can use it for music.
Maybe you can use for music, but this one.
But you need it for the detector.
Dr. Otek.
So. The first step.
The first step.
Für den Holder. Und?
First schauen mal.
Genau, gucken mal. First step.
Oi.
Ja.
Aha.
Dann, the next is this.
There's more. Yeah.
That's good. You take this. So. Dann kommt
Thank you,
Sorry?
Dr. Otek. I
hier.
can find my coin or gold, silver
So, hier.
in my
Ja.
private. Wow. If you want to have some fun with your friends, family, and then you want to find a gold, coin, silver, or everything that you want, use Dr. Otek now. You can purchase it in the description down below. You can buy it there. And then there's a discount code. I'll put everything here, the discount code, and also in the description. Alam niyo po, lalo na yung mga papa nyo na mahilig sa ganito, mahilig ang papa nyo, your father likes to have like this, bigyan nyo po siya ng regalo ganito. Baka makahanap kayo ng gold dyan. Who knows? You can find gold there. Diba? We really don't know. Oh!
Torta. You can lose it. The screw.
Yeah.
And then
And then the next step.
you can press it inside. Yeah. So you can make it shorter. And then
No.
you fix it. Yeah.
So next.
So, this is
The holder.
and now we take the ring,
The ring.
the detector ring. I think.
Oh, I hope I can find money and gold on the outside. Then I will sell it. The gold? You can find your coin there in your wallet.
No. So you can change the position like so or so, huh?
Wo steht die Kamera?
Here.
Aha.
Oh.
My God, the giant daddy.
So, and now
You can change the position if you want.
the display.
The display.
Now it's the display. The position is here, and you take it.
Yeah, we can find later.
Yes, yeah.
Find later. We'll try this on the outside. If it's really useful
So
You
and
know?
now here's the position for the battery.
for the battery. The battery. Where's the battery? So, remove before use.
It's for safety.
Now I know.
Easy.
My God, you know everything that it
Yeah.
worked.
Protective and removable, you make later. And then
Then,
you make this here. Warte.
what is this?
And
Here. I know what is this now. If you find something, this is the
oh,
you are going to use this for what is it here? Ano ba? To make a hole
make this side.
here.
There's a big hole and a small hole. And the big.
What? Look,
That's it.
exact. Tadi look mo. Yee. If I find gold in the earth, in the soil.
Oh, metal.
Yeah, this is metal. So this is I'm going to use. Wow, the metal. This is metal detector. And this one, there's more. This is this is the pen. A pen. This is a pin pointer. Look. There's more here. Pin pointer.
So. And now, at last, the cable. The cable. There's a massive cable put in to the motor.
Okay. It's connected.
So. Power on.
It's power on.
This is.
Yeah. You can the mood. You can change it. Okay. You do this. So we need to change the mood. PP, the volume power.
Wir gucken gleich in der Beschreibung nochmal, was ist. Da. Model
Was?
Sense, da. Da.
You can see coin, silver, gold.
Nails, screws.
Nails, screw. Okay. So now, what is that? The little one, the small one?
It's also a metal detector.
Metal detector,
for
but
handheld, yes.
for small.
For this an easy way to find something.
This is a pin pointer.
There is a cable.
Yeah, there's a
The
key.
wall.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Okay. Oh. It means it detected now that there's a metal
The cable
there.
in the wall is also metal.
Okay. That's why it's titit because there's a metal. It's detected already, no?
Yes.
Wow, I like it.
Yes. And maybe
Now we go in the outside.
if there's something like this here. Yeah.
Oh, this is metal also. Wow. So can we go in the outside and look for gold or coins or silver? Maybe we can find, and we can try this digging in the soil.
Aber ich muss erst da lesen, Oliver. Wie es da wieder ist.
My
Halten so.
my dad Egbert wants to try it here in the outside. So
Wir haben all metal.
you can change the mode into metal,
For all metal.
all
And you show
metal,
me what I find.
metal or jewelry. You can change
immer
now.
oben.
So, I hope you can find metal. Ist das schon an? Oh. Oh,
Hier, da, guck. Guck hier.
nochmal? Nochmal? Oh, what? Okay. We need to find what is that.
Da ist genau.
Yeah?
Guck mal hier. Guck mal.
What? To use this, the
Hier.
here,
Jetzt hier. Ne, was?
here,
Da Münzen, Coins. Zeig da an, oben.
where?
Da, musst du gucken, da, gleich.
Ma?
Da, siehst du? Coins.
Ah, coins, yeah.
So. Da, hier.
Here,
Guck mal da.
here.
Ja. Vorsichtig. Münzen da. Mach nochmal, warte.
Where?
Warte.
Here.
Da.
Yeah.
In der Mitte.
Ich kann es finden.
Mhm.
Ah! Wow! Look, coins. 50 centavos. 50 cent.
So, jetzt machen wir hier.
Wow, perfect. Here.
Irgendwo hier noch.
Mm. I want to find gold. I think there's no gold in this area. Oh, yeah. Yeah, now I can hear it. Can hear it. Aber oh,
Jetzt PP.
yeah. Here.
Ja, hier, in der Mitte. Da. Guck mal, da.
Here.
Da in der Mitte.
Yeah.
Ja.
Here. Guys, kanap ka ng pera. Salapi.
Ja, gut, ne?
And what can you say about this metal detector?
Funktioniert.
It's useful if you want,
Very light.
yeah, if you want to have some fun with your friends and family, no? If you want to look for
You
some,
can go to a beach also,
yeah, beach also, because this is
or forest.
a waterproof.
Oh.
This is waterproof if it's okay if there's a water also.
It's easy to use. And it shows what you can find also.
Yeah,
That's very
it shows in the screen.
And if you make it, and if you make an source on, and if you take das Geld,
Money.
warte hier, warte,
Here.
sieh hier,
Hier.
ja,
Yeah.
und jetzt hier so, Moment, ja, ja, ja,
Yeah, it's detected.
und jetzt kannst du, if you make it in the near, you can-
Yeah.
da,
Ah. Wow.
So you can see the exact
That's that
position.
Egbert Overs da. It's functional.
And now,
And now?
you look.
Yeah, we found money.
You want?
We found money.
Das ist aufgehoben.
Money, money, money.
Das ist noch hier. Hast du es aufgehoben?
Nee. Maybe he has money in the wallet. Oh. There's some money?
Okay.
Coins? Wow.
So,
Und?
easy.
Wunderbar.
Nein.
You can try it also.
Ja.
My dad Uwe wants to try it.
Warum? Ich verbuddel was.
Was muss ich machen?
So, das ist jetzt.
So.
So.
Good. Na-miss na. Das ist Metall.
Ja, das ist ja Metall. Mach mal hier so. Langsam.
Oh. 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 Here. Use this. Uwe, look.
Kannst du auf PP stellen?
Hey, das ist mein Finderlohn.
Look, you can use the headphone also.
Ja, aber ich nicht.
This one.
It's easy.
It's easy. Someone is calling me. Wait. Okay. So thank you. You can purchase now. Buy it now in this description down below. There's no metal in my head. Guys, Merry Christmas. Buhay Weihnachten. Yes, ngayon po is Pasko. Pasko na naman muli. So ngayon, magsaing ako ng rice. Because rice is life. Kakain tayo kasi nagutom ako eh. Kakain kami lahat. Ano ba, German food no? Pero kahapon ay kagabi, di ba? Walang rice. So, alam mo tayong mga Pinoy ang dugo natin. Kaya saan tayo pupunta? Nanalay tayo ang ating dugong Pinoy. Sabi ko sa inyo, rice is life, di ba? Hugasan natin itong rice cooker kasi mag-rice tayo. Si Dad Egbert, nagluto ng duck erte. Ano siya, oh? Erte, das ist erte?
Ja.
Nagluto siya. So masarap din siya ang erte, ang duck, na niluto na parang
Das ist keine Ente, das ist eine Gans.
a Gans.
Gans.
And what is the name of this food? This menu?
Gänsebraten.
Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano na ginagawa niya. But ngayon, masarap din.
German.
Okay. A typical German of Christmas na pagkain. Ayan, pakita ko ha. And this is from Dad Egbert. Dad Egbert make this. Wow! This one. And then with Susa. With sauce. Last night we eat the asparagus, pastet and herring salad. And now,
Das muss auch noch. Jetzt Gänsebrust, Gänsebraten,
okay, iba-iba pala ang aming mga
Rotkohl,
Kain.
Klößen.
Ja? Aber du musst noch schneiden, oder? Okay.
Ich lasse noch ein bisschen da.
Iba-iba ang menu. Kagabi, 24. Sa gabi. So, iba yung pagkain namin ngayon. 25 naman talaga. Iba rin yung pagkain namin. Ganito talaga din nung nakaraang Christmas din. Nakaraang Pasko. Ito na. Ano yung camera na? Lahat ng pagkain. Diba, sa atin, sabayin natin na lutuin. Tapos bukas, kinabukasan ay initin na lang, leftover, di ba? Iinitin na natin dito, iba. Itong pagkain naman ngayon, niluto, yan ang kain namin. So yung kinain namin kagabi, ubos na yun, ubos na. Ang hiring salad ang kunti na lang, pero maubos pa rin. It's because rice is life. Rice is life for me. I need to eat rice. May ano yan siya dyan, may... Was ist das? Ah, Luft. Toast.
Ja.
Was willst du mit Toast machen? Guys, may steak ako dyan ba? Kakainin ko sana yun, bro. Sabi na doon, Kainin natin ulit. Huwag ka muna magkamain ng steak. Kainin natin kung ano na-prepare ngayon na Christmas para maubos natin agad-agad yung steak kasi pwede pa naman dyan nabukasan pa. So ito pag Christmas, panagsa. Sometimes namin na kumakain kami ng ganitong pagkain. For example, yung herring salad, Christmas lang din yun. Yung pastetes, sa Christmas lang din kinakain. Kaya, sige na lang. Ang mga bitok na sa ating tiyan ay dapat makapaghintay din ng natapos sa Christmas. So, kauwi lang namin sa bahay. Kasama ko si Andy. Masdo? Guys, ano po yan? Toast.
Klöße.
Das ist toast, oder?
Ja.
Toast bread.
Butter geröstet.
Nilagay, pinaano niya?
Bisschen Butter.
Nilagyan ng butter instead of mantika, instead of oil. So, pinaano niya yan to? Pinadry. Pinirito sa butter. Because,
Kommt inside von den Klößen.
you will put in the kluzo. Kluzo? Was ist das? Kluzo. Mga German food. Ito. Ito na sauce yan. Here? You put it here? Ang sauce ka guys for the guns. Yung kakainin namin na karning guns. Ano yun? Guns duck or turkey? Hindi mo turkey. Guns is turkey? Turkey?
Nee, ganz ist anders.
Guns anders. Ganse. Was ist Ganse? Wait. Ist das Gänse diese way?
Das sind Gänse.
Hä? Okay. Wie heißt es auf Englisch?
Ja.
Gänse Turkey, no? Nee. What is Gänse?
Das weiß ich nicht.
Please
aber
comment
guck
down
nach.
below daw.
Guck nach.
Sa mga German citizen. Guns of English. Da. Goose.
Fuß. Ah,
Goose.
Ja, klar.
Goose? Gus-gusin ako. Gus-gus pala yung nakalagay sa microwave. Sabi ko sa inyo ba, gross din ba, goose?
Ja.
Goose, kapag marami, geese. Merry Christmas! Andy, nga galing kami. Uy, tanawa ko dire, you're so dirty, here the side. Deng. Merry Christmas, Deng. Christmas. Deng, Merry Christmas. Are you tired? Super tired yan siya kagas kasi lakad kami ng lakad kanina, 2 beses. Kaya ganyan siya ngayon. Not in the mood. Tired ang aming Ande. Taghihintay rin siya sa aming pagkain. Basa Kasi sabi ko sa inyo, galing kaming labas, kaya basa-basa pa siya. Basa. Uy, basa man ang Ande namin, oy. Andy, Merry Christmas daw, sabi ng mga ka-guys. Andy, Merry Christmas, ka-guys. Sagma, Merry Christmas, ka-guys. Thank you for always supporting us. So ka-guys, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Hanggang ngayon, kasama pa rin tayo. Magkasama pa rin tayo. Ilang taon na tayo, no? Ilang taon na lumilipas. Andiyan pa rin kayo, nanonood sa akin, nagsuporta. At natutuwa sa aming pamilya. Salamat sa suporta. Hindi lang sa akin, kung hindi sa aking pamilya, sa mga kaibigan. Thank you po. Merry Christmas. Sana marami kayong mga regalong natanggap dyan sa minamahal nyo. Or kung wala man kayong handa, wala man kayong regalong natanggap, at least blessed pa rin po kayo kasi ngayon buhay pa rin po kayo. Yung gift of life na binigay ng Diyos ay yun ang pinaka-importanting regalo na natanggap, at saka wala nagkasakit sa pamilya, diba? Yun yung pinaka-importanting regalo na natanggap natin this year. So, kung wala man kayong regalo, material na regalo na tanggap ngayon, baka next year meron na mag-iba ang ihip ng panahon. Diba ka guys? So, God bless ha? God bless inyo. At saan naghihintay? Nagigigil ako sa'yo. So kagan, ito po ang kainin nila. Instead of rice, ito ang i-partner sa guns. What is the name of this?
Klöße. Rohe Klöße.
Klöße? Is this?
Rohe Klöße.
Aruha.
Kartoffel.
Das is Kartoffel, no?
Ja.
Kartoffel is patatas. Yeah, potato.
Gekochte und rohe Kartoffeln.
What is the here? This is the Zuzu. Dito siya niluto. So, how many minutes you need for that?
20, maybe
20?
25 minutes.
Okay. Okay. That is good. At si Andy ay tapos na kumain. Andy. Oh. Wait lang. Ang aming guns. Yung sauce na ginawa kasi yun naman yung sauce for guns. Kasi dapat may sauce para hindi siya dry. So, pa tayo. Hala, ang sarap ba? Leka. Ang sarap ba? Sarap talaga magluto sa Egbert. Ano kasi yan ang perfection? Yeah, it's not good. Leka. Ano kanya siya kagay sa mga pagkain at sa mga kulay-bagay. Perfectionist siya. Hindi pwede na. Dapat talaga perfect. Yung sa Egbert. O, lagi. Niwala kayo sa akin. That's the guns guys. O, ngayon ay dapat na siyang
Hey,
slice. Andi. Ito yung guns. On?
Gut aus.
Sieht gut aus, no?
Probieren wir nochmal. Okay.
Yeah.
Du auch?
Yeah. So ngayon, kailangan siya i-try. Try and try. Aba ni Sofin. Perfect, ginaw. So, i-try natin. Uy, kainit. Super init. Guys. Wait lang.
Gut.
Kaya pa. Ang sabi, try. Ang ginawa ko, kain naman to eh. Hindi to, try, kain na.
Ja, das kann man ja nicht. Ja, richtig. Na?
Guys, magkuha tayo ng na washing. Na dishwash na to kagabi. Dito tayo kuha tayo ng itong plato na malaki. Nagwash kami diyan ba? Dito kasi namin itong dishwasher na to, ginagamit namin to kapag malaki ang ganito. Malaki ang mga plato at malaki ang mga ito press kaya yan oh. Yan ang ginagamit namin dito kami. Kasi doon sa isang kitchen kasi na ginagamit namin na dishwasher ay pang maliit na mga plato lang yun. Siya ito kasi super laki oh. Ganito plato. So, muna natin ito ulit kasi tayo doon tayo doon Tischdecken. Eindecken. Sa German. So, tayo mga plato, kutsara. Kasi kakain na kami, luto na kasi yung pagkain namin. So, kuha ako ng isang ganito kasi rice is naman tayo. Luto na din ang rice ko. Timing ba? Na-timing na. Luto din ang rice natin. Kaya lagay ko lang to doon sa lamisa, ha? Guys, luto na ang kluzo. Kluzo?
Löser.
Ito siya. Laki-laki naman. Mukhang masarap no, pero patatas lang yan, ha? Nilukot-lukot. Niro-roll. Das ist potato.
Ja. Und zwar gekochte Kartoffeln und rohe Kartoffeln gemischt.
Yan guys, yung butter. Itong tubig namin, iniinom ni Dad over. Ito yung tubig niya ngayon.
Mit Füllung? Die ohne.
For the small one.
Ohne Füllung.
Okay. Ito. Ko. Sama kayo guys ha. Dito kami kakain ngayon. Ang aking rice is there. Luto na ang rice because rice is life. Wow. Rotwein? Rotwein or the Weiss?
Dazu muss man rot essen.
Maghanap tayo ng
Ja, also
red wine dito. So dito tayo maghanap where we can find it in the middle of the das is white wine. Galing mo to kay ate, man to kay ate Yoli, binigay. Dito naman ay Grauburgunder. This is this. Ano man yun siya? White. Hanap natin is red. Red wine, where are you? Red, where are you, red? Ich kann nicht finden. Rot. Ito kaya, ito. Habtrocken Herrengut. Ito kaya. Cabernet.
Das darf man nicht.
Ito kaya. I cannot find red wine. I cannot find. Chardonnay. Ano mo yan? White wine man Chardonnay. Ito, super liit. Ito kaya. Cover. Gusto Prosecco? Ito kaya. Ano kaya to?
Ja, da ist noch einer, ist am Tisch ist auch noch da was.
Nö.
Da ist auch noch ein roter bei
Das ist schon leer.
bei dem Elsasswein. Also. Meine wäre auch ein roter bei.
Das kann ich finden. Alles weiß. Rotwein ist schon leer. Das ist weiß. Und hier?
Das ist Sekt.
Wie war es mit hier? Prosecco, willst du? Das ist doch keiner.
Essen.
Das ist Charing.
Cabernet Sauvignon.
Yeah, but guck mal, naiwan is white wine. Kaya guys, ito na po, second food. Second dinner for this Christmas season. Yan yung pagkain namin. Ito ay the Gans. Nakahanap pala kami ng wine. Isang wine na red. Ayan, na-open ko na to. Para lagyan na lang. Diyan yan, nakahanap. May isa pala dyan nakalagay. So, maglagay na tayo ng wine. Sa mga... Ito lang. Dito naman siya. Ito sa akin ang sa akin. So, guten appetit. Kain na po kami. Guys, may bago po tayong kontrata. Merong bagong agency. Meron tayong bagong agency na nagpaano sa atin. May bago tayong trabaho, bagong kontrata sa bagong taon. Thank you, Lord. Si Lord talaga. Siya talaga lahat nagbigay ng blessings. Kasi sabi ko kay Lord ba na, Lord, yung ngayong Christmas, yung budget ko is very tight talaga kasi di ba nagbalik bayan box tayo. Sabi ko, very tight talaga. I know na you'll always provide sa akin at saka sa pamilya ko. Sabi ko ba na, bigyan mo ako ng blessings para makashare ako ng ibang blessings. Alam niyo guys, nung pag-pray ko that time, at night, umiyak ako. Sabi ko ba, Lord, uy, very tight talaga ang budget ko this year. Like, paubos talaga siya kasi nga, di ba po, uwi ako ng Pilipinas, tapos magpabalik bayan box ako. Very, 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 very tight. Sabi ko, tapos inaano ko na kasi yung masahod ko ba monthly, parang tinotal ko na hanggang uuwi ako ng Pilipinas kung magkano madala, kung mabitbit kong pera. Sabi ko, kulang talaga ang pera ko. Sabi ko, hindi ko talaga kaya, pero matipid-tipid pa rin tayo kasi nasa bukid naman ako uuwi sa atin, sa Pilipinas. Bukid naman yung ano ko, so hindi masyadong mahal doon. Tapos sa ate ako magstay. At saka hindi rin ako masyadong magstay doon kasi gusto ko diba na pag uwi ko, gusto ko na may ibang place ako na pupuntahan kasi nga minsan naman tayo makauwi, so isagarin na din natin yung magbakasyon tayo sa ibang place. So yun ang target ko guys. So sabi ko na, Lord, I know you will always provide. Maniwala lang talaga ako sa kabaitan mo, maniwala lang talaga ako sa kakayahan at sa power mo kasi you are a giver. You are perfect. Lahat talaga kapag ano ba. Tapos nag-pray ako guys, umiyak ako kasi guys that time. Sabi ko ba, di ba may time na uiyak ka, si Lord lang nakakaalam. Naiyak kasi nag-pray ka, siya lang nakakaalam. Ayaw mong paalamin sa iba kasi nga gusto mo na siya lang kasi lalo na kapag ikaw umiiyak ka dahil sa grabe yung heart mo ba, like full of hatred ka, anger, tired, lahat-lahat, or iyak ka ba na dahil masaya ka, lahat, diba? So, alam na niya ng Panginoon. Tapos, pag-pray ko, kinabukasan, may nag-email. Diretso pag gising ko pag umaga, may email ka guys. Hindi ako magsinungaling. Very, very powerful. Ano yung pray ko ba? Parang binigay agad ni Lord. Yung answered prayer agad. Basta ko, grabe ka Lord. Nung pag gising ko, pag ino ko sa email ko, may magpa-ano ka guys, may magpa-ano ng company, magpa-collaboration. Tapos, yeah, with payment yun. Libre yung product, with payment. Sabi ko, Lord. Sabi ko pa dati. At sabi ko that time, oh Lord, thank you. Grabe ka talaga. in-answer mo agad-agad yung kahilingan ko. So at that time, uy, sinad Uve. So, sinabi ko kina daddy na may collaboration na akong gagawin. Sabi, oh, go for it, Oliver. Go, go, go. Huwag ka na, hinayang dyan. Diretso na dyan. Magsabi na, oo. So, ngayon, may nabasa ko na yung agreement, influencer agreement namin. So, nabasa na yung kontrata ko dito. So, kailangan ko dito is accepted and agreed both parties. So, kailangan ko ilagay influencer, pangalan ko, at saka yung signature ko. So, bago naman yung signature ko, bago na rin yung pangalan ko, ay apelido pala. So, kailangan yun ang ilagay dito. So, nalagay ko na. So, ito naman, i-send ko naman ulit sa kanila. I have my new contract.
Oh.
Dad Uwe.
Oh.
Dad Egbert. So ito, I will send this to the company.
Sehr gespannt.
He's very excited. Thank you kaayo, Panginoon. Salamat kayo ha. Thank you, Lord, for this.